Now I am going to tell you how we can create a text file and how we can save the content in it. So for that we need three functions: open function, write function and close function. Open function open function will open a file for different modes, and write function will write the contents to the file in string form, and close function is used to close the file. So this is the way. Open.kvuc.txt. This kvuc.txt is the name of text. Here W is a file mode. W stands for write mode. Here we are writing content in the file, so we will take W mode. This is the content which we want to write inside the file. Welcome to KVUC and near supply chalk. Now we will use write and the content inside the file using write function. This f is called as object. This object is used to write or to call function. So in this way we will follow three steps. First, to open the file. Second, to write contents. And third, to write contents inside the file using write method, and last we will close the file. Now it's time to check the code. Here we have saved the code and we are going to run it. So because there is no print statement, so now no output here. Now we will check KVUC txt file in the desktop with contents. So this is the Python file which we have created, and this is the text file which we have just created. Now I am going to open this, and this file contains contents of program. Now if you want to show output using program, we can do this code. We will open file using read, then we will use read function, then we will use print, and after print statement we will close the function. So using these four lines we can have our output which we have written this text file kvuc.txt like this. So in this way we can create a file and write contents, and in this way we can see output in our window. Thank you.